Hello boys and girls, so today I thought for this lesson we should really try and take the time to practice our calculating duration and creating our own timetables. So at first glance when I first looked at this worksheet I thought, oh, that's a bit tricky. But I think this is why I'm creating this video. I think with a little bit of support that we should be able to do this. So I'm just going to talk you through exactly what you're practicing throughout this activity, and then I would like for you to go and complete the worksheet. Okay, so first of all, you need to look at and be able to read this timetable. That is the skill. So you need to look at the top row, the top columns actually. I would say row. Stations, so obviously that's all the stations for the timetable. And then at the other columns, the other subheadings, I would say, is the first train, the second train, the third train, and the fourth train. Okay. So going along the way, Bobblewick, it says the first train arrives there at 8:35 in the morning. The second train you can catch at 10:25, okay? And the third train you can catch at 2:05 in the afternoon. And the fourth train is at 7:16. Now, what your job is to do is to be able to fill in the rest of the timetable, the blanks. Now, in order to do that, we need to be able to calculate durations. Now, there is information there that can help you. In order to calculate the Bobblewick to Plumtree, the second train, you need to calculate the journey, okay? So, for the Bobblewick, it says 08:35 and the end time is 08:47, okay? Sorry, I should be using my pen, but I can't find it. There it is. So, yeah. So, what you need to do is figure out how long these two trains take in order to find this time here. Okay? Because it will be the same journey from Bobblewick to Plumtree. So, Bobblewick to Plumtree takes 5. So, let's see. We're not crossing the hour, are we? So, it's 5 to 40. And then you add on the 7. So, that gives us 12 minutes. So, it's 12 minutes. I'm going to get rid of that because it's a little bit thick. So, from this station to this station, it takes 12 minutes. So, would it be fair to add on 12 minutes to find out the answer for the Plumtree second train? Yeah? And that's what you need to do for each one. So, it takes 12 minutes from there, it takes 12 minutes from there for each train, okay? So that's 12 minutes for each train. So, technically, you should be able to figure out what, sorry, my TV just went on there, what each station arrives, what time it arrives at, what the second train arrives at, because that takes 12 minutes. Then you need to calculate the time from this station to this station to find out this answer. So, if it's 08:47 and it arrives at Clutterbrook at 08:56, how long does that take? I'm just going to rub all that out because that's annoying me now. So, how long does these two stations take? Okay. Now, if you know how long it takes, whatever answer you get here, you'll be able to add on the answer to there. Okay. So, I'll give you one more shot at it. So, it's not crossing the hour. So, I'm just needing to figure out the difference from 8:47 to 8:56. So I always go to the next 10. So if I add on 3 to this is the way I do it in my head. If I add on 3, it takes me to 50. And then I've still got 6. So 3 add 6 gives me 9. So I know from here to here, it takes 9 minutes. So whatever answers I manage to get in these boxes, I need to add on 9 minutes to these times to get the answer here. Okay, now I've role modelled some of those answers, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the first 2 boxes for the first chain. Okay. Right, so we said 12 minutes. I calculated it was 12 minutes from that time. So if I add on 12 minutes to 10:25, we're going to do the second chain. 10:25, if I add on 12 minutes to 10:25, that's going to give me 37. Okay, 10:37 it's going to arrive. And then I said from here to here, it took 9 minutes. So now I need to add 9 minutes to that, okay? So that's going to give me 10:46. So you could see how you could work your way down, boys and girls. And it's the same with the other chain. Pobble Book to Plum Tree takes 12 minutes. So I add 12 minutes to this time to get this box. And then 9 minutes and so on. Now, you need to do the rest all by yourself, okay? It is a tricky worksheet, but you've got to be quite resilient and work hard and really think carefully. I suggest doing the second train first, or you might want to do it all along that way. Listen, whatever's easier for you, okay?